Hi everybody. I have a quick Dollar Tree haul and a quick Dollar Tree DIY. Let me just start really fast and go through everything before I go and do the DIY. We'll start with the food really quick. I've never tried these. These were in the frozen section and they sound good. Golden crust Jamaican style chicken patties. And so they are a turnover with chicken filling and flaky crust. They have chicken and they also have beef, but all of the beef was gone, so I'm assuming that these are good, but apparently the beef must be better. So I need to hurry up and get these back in the freezer. And then their item of the week are these Edward frozen pies. So I got, where's my other one? I got 3 different kinds. I got the key lime, I got the apple, and I got the chocolate cream. And then next in the frozen aisle, I got a chicken egg roll. They have a lobster one, and they also have a shrimp one. But I thought I would just try the chicken and just see how that turns out. I don't know. It looks, I'm not sure. The package looks good anyway. So that was it for the frozen things. And then they also now, every now and then they have the stacks Lay's for $1. And these are, I really like these. I think there's more in these than the Pringles. And these are full size stacks. So this one's sour cream and onion, and then the original. And those are the only 2 flavors they had. So I got 1 of each. I got 2 more bags of the Now and Later mystery mix. So they're 1 pound bags. They're over 1 pound actually. So my husband really likes these, so I bought 2 more bags. I'm sorry, I'm trying to make this really quick. I like their steak sauce. Steak sauce is expensive, so I went ahead and bought 2 of these steak sauce zesty blend. I think they're fine. So I got 2 of those. I really like these things. This is a 10-ounce bag of salted roasted peanuts in the shell, obviously. They're really good. So got 2 of those. Got some more dog treats. This has already been opened. This is the sweet potato biscuit wrapped with chicken breast. It's shaped like a little bone. Little biscuit bone, and then it's got the chicken breast wrapped around it, and then some more of the sweet potato and duck meat sticks. So I only get these from the Dollar Tree that say Nature's Choice on them, and they really like these. My daughter needed another one of these screen guards, so got another one of these. I ruined, well, my earbuds are broken that I use for work. When I'm just sitting at my desk, and I'll actually take my tablet to work, and I'll have YouTube on and just watch YouTube videos and listen to them in the background while I'm sitting at my computer doing my work. So these earbuds plugged in and needed another pair, so I'm going to try these out. Then I don't know how this is going to work, so this is the drain router, and it's new. So it's this long plastic thing that's got some little barbs on it that you could put down into your drain, and 18-inch reach. Just shove it down in there and it's supposed to pull out hair and stuff. So I'll try that out and see how that works. Got some more of this Dove. I really like this stuff. I don't care for the smell. It's not a bad smell. It's a perfumey smell, which I'm not really keen on, like perfumes, but it's not too bad. But this is very moisturizing. I do put it on my neck twice a day, in the morning and in the evening before I go to bed, and like around my nose where it's dry. And then I needed some deodorant, so I got some of that. I was most excited about these because I was at the checkout and I haven't seen these before. These are sequin bins. So I got 6 of these. So there's 2 of each color This one's got like a peachy rim to it. Looks like silver and gold sequins. And then this one's a black like rim. And it looks like a pinkish silver. And then a more of a hot pink. And it's like more of a greenish, mareenish color with pink sequin. So I'm going to open. So I got 2 of each color. And they're little bins. Let's see, 8 by 8. And I'm going to open one up just to show you. Because I haven't seen anybody haul these yet. So here's the black one. We'll see how those work. Isn't that cool? Open it up. So I could use these to store a lot of my crafts. So there it is. Sorry for the gigantic focus here, but isn't that cool? So very excited to see that. These were, like I said, at the checkout counter or checkout, you know, where all the, you know, the shelves and stuff there and at the bottom. So, all right, so on to, I went to Home Goods today. Let me see if I got everything. Yeah, I showed you everything outside of what I'm going to do for the DIY. So I went to Home Goods today. I'd never been to it. And they have some nice stuff, but I don't think that their prices are that great. And I seen something that was, I know that I've seen the flowers at Dollar Tree before. So I'm like, you know, I can make this because they had them for like $12.99 for something like this, which is I got at the Dollar Tree. Like this tin or whatever you want to call this metal vase bucket, sorry. And then they had these flowers. Oh, this I also bought from the Dollar Tree. I already took it out of the plastic, and this fits just right in there. So there's that. And my flowers. They had, at Home Goods, they had these flowers. The fuzzy, pretty little pink. Oh, these are like kind of stuck together. Look at that. See, sometimes you get what you pay for, right? That's okay. Looks like that maybe they got hot and melted together a little bit. The fuzzies have stuck together. So anyhow, Home Goods had these inside of like a metal bucket for, like I said, $12.99. I'm like, I can make this. So very easily for, let's see, the bucket was $1, this was $1. So that's 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So $5, and then if you want to put some grass, so $6 if you want to put some grass to cover the foam. So what I'm doing, and I'm sorry that the view is not that great here. So what I'm going to do is just take these. I didn't, these were all that they had. There were only 2 of these kind of fuzzy flowers. And then there's this one, which is kind of more like a, reminds me of a sort of a lavender thing, but nice and fuzzy. Well, let's just take this out. I should have had these taken out before I started. And then I found these, and these are nice and they look fairly realistic. Hard little light grasses. Okay, cattail. They're called. Not cattail that I have ever known, but whatever. So what was this? Just greenery bouquet. So the purple ones are just called greenery bouquet, and this one was called, this is called cattail. So all I'm going to do is just take this, and so this is the taller one. I'll stick this in the middle, and I may have to, ooh, sorry about that noise, guys. Wow. So sorry, guys. I'm just shoving that into the foam like as far as I can. So there's that. in this, and I need a better setup for this. I have a tripod, but then I just have to, I've only got one camera, so then I can't like switch you really easily back and forth. So I'm just spreading this piece out, and I'm just going to stick it right in here towards the front. And I know this is an odd angle. And then I'll do the same thing with this one. And I was hoping, I'm so sorry about the noise. So I was hoping I would find more of these fuzzy things, but like I said, that was all that they had at the Dollar Tree that I was in. So what I will do, so this is what it is. And then you have your pretty purple, all just purple theme. And that is exactly what they had at Home Goods. I mean, these same fuzzy flowers. They didn't have these cattails, which I really like these. So these are the taller ones. I put them in the back. And then the two fuzzy ones are shorter. I just put them in the front, kind of like a triangle. And then what I would do is get some of that reindeer moss or some kind of other grass, and I would just hot glue and cover up the foam and stuff. So that is it, and I really like that. I think that looks really pretty together. And I won't show you the gluing together because I don't have that. I wanted that brown stuff. I should have got that brown stuff. That brown, I don't know what they call that. Some kind of grass. But that is it for that. And sorry you can't really see it in any setting, but maybe I'll get a second camera at some point where you guys can see other things like that. But trust me, it is really cute. So I'll take a picture of it and put it in my thumbnail once I get the grass put in. And anyways, that is it for my haul, and that was it for my quick DIY Home Goods dupe. And like I said, let's see, that was $6, and if you get the grass, that would be $7 compared to $13 at Home Goods. And I actually think this is cuter because it's got the cattail and it's got like a more height to it. And the one at Home Goods had all the same height, floral arrangements like in a row. So anyway, thanks again for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and like and share and all of that good stuff. And I will be back with a Hobby Lobby haul here in a few because, yes, I went to Hobby Lobby again yesterday and found some more good stuff. So thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.